What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Bike Polls. Today we have an exciting review of a bike that has been the talk of the motorcycling world, the return of a legend, the 2025 Yamaha RX-100. This iconic machine is back, and it's packing some serious modern upgrades. Stick around to see why this new model is creating so much. Before we dive into the 2025 model, let's take a quick moment to appreciate the legacy of the RX-100. Originally launched in the 1980s, the RX-1000 became an instant classic. Its lightweight frame, snappy acceleration, and that unmistakable two-stroke exhaust sound made it the go-to bike for enthusiasts and racers alike. It was known for being affordable, reliable, and fun. Though production stopped in the 90s, the RX-1000 never left the hearts of fans worldwide. Now, Yamaha has brought it back with a twist, staying true to its roots while embracing modern performance and technology. So, how does the 2025 version live up to its legendary status? Let's jump into the details. Alright, first things first, let's talk design. Yamaha has managed to retain the classic RX-100 silhouette while giving it a fresh, modern makeover. The retro round headlamp is still here, but now with LED technology, giving it a sleek yet timeless look. The fuel tank retains its nostalgic charm but has sharper lines, making it look more aggressive and muscular compared to the original. The single-seat design gives it that old-school vibe, but it's more ergonomic for today's riders. The blacked-out engine, minimalist side panels, and chrome accents scream vintage, but with a modern twist. It's the perfect blend of old meets new. What do you think of the design? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's talk power. The original RX-1000 is famous for its peppy two-stroke engine. But with emission norms and the need for more eco-friendly bikes, Yamaha has shifted gears with the 2025 RX-100. This beauty now packs a 125cc single-cylinder four-stroke engine. That's right, no more two-stroke. But don't worry, this engine still brings the thrill we loved about the original. With around 15 horsepower and 11 Nm of torque, this lightweight beast offers fantastic low-end punch, perfect for city riding and quick highway sprints. The engine is paired with a slick 5-speed gearbox, delivering smooth shifts and a refined riding experience. Yamaha has tuned it to give that punchy acceleration that made the RX-100 a favorite among riders. And with its fuel injection system, you'll get excellent mileage and reduced emissions, keeping it green without sacrificing fun. Now, you might be wondering, what modern tech does Yamaha offer on this retro-inspired ride? Well, they've packed it with just the right amount of features without overloading it. You've got a digital-analog combo instrument cluster, which keeps that classic look while giving you modern readouts like fuel efficiency and trip meters. There's also ABS anti-lock braking system, ensuring you stay safe while riding in all conditions, and the bike comes with disc brakes both in the front and rear for added stopping power. The suspension has been upgraded to telescopic forks up front and dual shocks in the rear, ensuring a comfortable ride even on bumpy roads. Yamaha has made sure this bike is equipped for today's riders without losing its vintage charm. So what's the price tag on this retro modern beauty? The 2025 Yamaha RX-100 is expected to start around $2,500 to $3,000, depending on your location and optional accessories. That's pretty affordable, especially for a bike that blends nostalgia with new-age performance and safety features. In conclusion, Yamaha has done an incredible job with the new RX-100. Whether you're a fan of the original or a new rider looking for a lightweight, stylish, and fun-to-ride bike, the 2025 RX-100 delivers on all fronts. It's the perfect tribute to a legend while being ready for the future. What do you think about the new RX-100? Would you take it for a spin? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome bike content. Until next time, ride safe. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more exciting bike reviews.